Are you still shelling out hundreds of dollars every month just to send emails? And even with all that cash going out, you're still facing a million challenges with your email campaigns? I mean, think about it. Getting your emails past spam filters, creating engaging content, personalizing emails, it's a lot. And then there's bounce rates, reducing spam, handling unsubscribes, port blocking, domain spamming to handle. It's a nightmare. Managing multiple email marketing tools is like trying to put together a 10,000-piece puzzle blindfolded. You're bouncing between Aweber, MailChimp, ConvertKit, trying to make it all work. Finding one platform that does it all is impossible. Most autoresponders out there, they're super expensive and have ridiculous approval processes. They charge you for every contact, even the ones who unsubscribed, and the costs just keep piling up. You're looking at a minimum of $250 just for 10,000 contacts. Then there's the operational headache, buying multiple products to find leads, verify them, upload them. And good luck finding a tool that allows cold email sending. Upload your list too fast? Banned. No explanations, poor support, the whole 9 yards. And when you talk about features, most tools don't even have built-in spam scores or AI tools to help you create killer campaigns. No self-help tools, no follow-up tools, no templates, no email reputation dashboard. It's a mess. But guess what? I've got the solution to all your email marketing problems. Introducing Cleverlybox, a revolutionary email marketing solution that's going to change the game. Cleverlybox is 20 times cheaper than platforms like Aweber, MailChimp, and ConvertKit. Yeah, you heard me right, 20 times cheaper. It uses AI to check spam scores and even auto-writes email campaigns for you. Cleverlybox combines all the features of multiple tools into one. We're talking cold emails, IP domain warm-up, transactional emails, list cleaning, lead finding, everything a marketer can think of, and then some more like it supports affiliate marketing, drip campaigns, and sends cold emails at lightning speed with zero downtime. Plus, it follows the latest Google and Yahoo Postmaster guidelines launched in February 2024, so your emails land right in the inbox. Cleverlybox replaces a ton of apps, for example, cold email tools like Lemlist and Instantly.ai, IP domain warm-up tools like IP Warmup, transactional email services like SendGrid and Mailgun, email list cleaning tools like Zero Bounce and Unbounce, lead finder apps like Hunter, email AI tools like Jasper, and marketing email platforms like Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and more. Now you can send unlimited cold emails, marketing emails, transactional emails, and support emails with zero restrictions on importing, zero downtimes, and a 99.99% inboxing rate. Create stunning emails with our drag-and-drop editor, choose from pre-designed templates, and set up automatic welcome sequences. Enjoy unlimited contact storage and campaigns, automated drip campaigns, and embeddable subscription forms to grow your leads. Make sure your emails reach the inbox with our spam checking and subject line testing tools. Get detailed reports and analytics to see how your emails are performing. And of course, predictive virality analysis to help you spot content that's about to blow up. Mail with confidence knowing you have continuous updates and support from the Cleverlybox team. And get this, right now when you get Cleverlybox, you get the commercial license at no extra cost. That means you can sell automation and marketing services to your clients and charge them top dollar. Try Cleverlybox risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, we'll refund you every penny. No hassles, no questions asked. There is nothing to download or install. It's all on the web, so you can access and send emails from anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Everything you need to crush your email marketing strategy is inside Cleverlybox. Grab it now and start mailing like a pro. Click the button below to get started right away. Let's go!